Meet Momo, a tiny baby elephant with big floppy ears, a wobbly trunk, and the most magical sneezes in the whole wide world. One sunny morning, Momo felt something tickly right in her trunk. Gigi, the baby giraffe, sipped her juice nearby. Momo's eyes went wide as she pinched her trunk tight, holding it in, and in, and in, until, pop! A tiny sneeze escaped. Whoosh! Gigi's juice flew straight up and landed perfectly back in the cup. They blinked at each other in surprise. "Do that again!" gasped Gigi. Momo giggled, feeling another tickle coming on. Achoo! Every flower in the garden burst into rainbow colors, with butterflies, bubbles, and petals everywhere. Gigi spun around in amazement while Momo smiled shyly. "Sorry, I can't really control it." Gigi laughed. "Please never stop sneezing."